Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Credit Don, where our goal is to give you the tools and the resources you need to get ahead in life and succeed. The topic here for today's video is Credit Karma. We're going to be going over how to sign up, how to log in, and how to utilize Credit Karma so you can be an expert at using this app. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use Credit Karma effectively, but you'll understand all 5 elements that play a factor in your overall credit score. Before we begin, can you go ahead and like or subscribe and let us know if this video was helpful by leaving a comment down below. We also need ideas for future videos, so please feel free to comment. Alright guys, so let's begin. We're going to go ahead and log into creditkarma.com/signup and enter our email address and also create a password. After step 1, we're going to go ahead and tell them a little bit more about ourselves, followed by step 3, where we're going to go ahead and confirm our identity. Once we're all set up, we're going to go ahead and log into Credit Karma. When you're logged in, 2 scores should reflect your TransUnion and your Equifax credit score. We're going to go ahead and click into TransUnion. Once you're in, we're going to go ahead and scroll down and we're going to look at the factors that affect our overall credit score. We're going to start off with our payment history, which has a high impact on our overall credit score. As you can see, we don't want to miss any payments in order to keep it at 100%. The more payments you miss, the lower the percentage will be. Next, we're going to click into our credit card use or credit card utilization, which also has a high impact on our credit score. The bottom number reflects our total credit limit with all our cards combined. The second number reflects how much you're currently using, and that top number or percentage represents the percent of your overall credit usage. Ideally, you want to stay under 10%, but if you're under 30, you should still be good. Next, we have derogatory remarks. Please keep in mind that any derogatory remark that is on your report stays on your report for 7 to 10 years. Credit card age. This is the total combined age of all your credit cards combined. This has a medium impact on your score. Next, we're going to go into the total amount of accounts that we have, which has a low impact on your score. So I won't be spending too much time on this section. And lastly, we have our hard inquiries. Even though this has a low impact on our score, the more inquiries you put in, the more your score will decrease. Thank you for watching this video.